name was Victor Villaseñor, and he is an author. One of my favorite books called Rain of Gold, if anyone likes to read. So he came to our school to talk to our staff. It was really cool. He was promoting his current book at the time called Burro Genius. But basically, he told us a story. He goes, I go and speak to big groups of people all over. And he goes, when I go to elementary schools, he goes, I'll be in an auditorium and all the little kids are sitting on the carpet, crisscross applesauce, and he goes, he'll ask them, raise your hand if you're a genius. And all the little kids are like, me. And he's like, it's just so adorable, except like maybe one kid. He's like, oh, you too, raise your hand, you're a genius. He goes, but then he'll go to speak to a room full of adults and he'll say, raise your hand if you're a genius. And he goes, none of the adults raise their hand, maybe like one person that's trying to be like funny. Why is that? He started to analyze like what happens with society and education from when, you know, everyone's in kindergarten and everyone thinks they're a genius to when you're an adult and no one says, yeah, I'm a genius. And so I was so inspired by him coming to speak to our staff. And so when I got back to my classroom, I was like, you guys, I just got to hear from Victor Villaseñor. This is so exciting. And he talked about being a genius. So this is so long ago that I had an actual dictionary. We opened it up, we look at the definition of a genius, and it said someone with a special talent, and I was just really excited. I'm like, you guys guess what this means? Everyone has some sort of a special talent, whether it's sports or you're a people person or it's a musical instrument or you like to draw. Everyone has some sort of a talent. So then it led us to do this whole tradition where we yell, I'm a genius before every test. So if you've had one of our classes, maybe you've already participated, but this is gonna be a tradition in our class, every test all year. Before we do this, again, there's a little bit of a thing we get into it. So tell your neighbor you're great.
You're great. You're
Tell
great.
someone else you're wonderful.
You're wonderful.
Tell someone else you make the world a better place. Everyone say, I'm great.
I'm great.
I'm fabulous. And gosh darn it, people love me.
People love
Okay, we're gonna yell super loud to the classroom next door. I'm a genius on the count. 3, 1, 2, 3.
I'm a genius.
Hopefully they respond.
Good luck.
Yes. Let's yell thank you. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thanks for participating.